Hi, welcome back to Handmade Food. Today we've got my dad and children making Nana's bagels. These bagels were famous in Wellington among those in the know, and for good reason too. They were awesome and a highlight of any visit to Nana and Papa's place. So here we are maintaining a family tradition. Start by dissolving 1 teaspoon of sugar in 300 ml of warm water. Then mix in 50 grams of fresh yeast. Let this stand for about 10 minutes or until it becomes frothy. In a large bowl, add 9 cups of high-grade flour, 4 teaspoons of salt, and 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Actually, now make a well in the middle.
A well? This thing?
Yeah, this thing.
Hold on.
Yeah, go on. Like a reverse volcano. Okay, now pour.
Into the well, add 4 tablespoons of oil,
3.
1 egg,
Very good.
the yeast mixture,
Oh boy, look at that go.
and a further 300 ml of lukewarm water.
Okay, now you've got to stir it.
Stir it with a large spoon until most of the dough is around the spoon.
Pushing it in. Okay.
Take the dough out and knead again for about 5 to 10 minutes with the heel of your hands. You can never over knead. If you have extra hands, divide the dough up for everyone to knead and then put it back together once kneaded.
That's the way my mother used to do it for years. Before she went to work. She used to make this.
Every day?
No, not every day, but
Most
quite a
days?
few days. She rolled it up, put it away to rise, come back after work, and make the rolls and bagels.
Is this her own recipe?
She's mixed it up with a few other people's.
No. Is this good, Daddy?
Grease your large bowl with oil and put your ball of dough in and cut across the top 3 times.
Gentle cut.
No one, including Nana, knows the reason for that, but she always did it.
Why do we need to cut it?
I don't know, my mother did.
Cover the bowl with something to stop it drying out and put aside to rise, about 1 to 2 hours depending on the temperature of the room. Switch on the oven to 240 degrees Celsius and prepare to cut and shape the bagels.
Boy. Whoa. Looks amazing.
Cut the dough into a few pieces and roll these into long sausages of dough. Cut these lengths into pieces that are approximately 75 grams each.
You take off a piece, roughly that long, like that, and you make that into a ball and push it underneath. See?
Like this?
Yeah. Now push it underneath till you get all the dough going into the centre. Keep pushing it underneath, and then the last time it starts to come through, there you start your bagel.
Boil a large pot of water and put in 1 tablespoon of golden syrup.
Let go. Put it in gently.
When the water is boiling fast, put in the bagels, just a few at a time. Wait until they come to the top of the water, then take them out with a slotted spoon and place them on a baking sheet with baking paper. Brush with a little egg wash. Sprinkle with sesame and poppy seeds and bake for about 12 minutes. You'll just have to watch them and bake them to your liking. Ovens do vary quite a lot.
Oh yes, they're done. Have you got some tweezers that you can use, Esther?
Huh? Tweezers.
Nana would have cooked hers a bit longer, I reckon.
Wow. They look like donuts.
It was all kind of donuts, just deep fried.
Oh, yeah.
Deep fried bagels. Dad, do we have a deep fryer?